So who doesn't love to get fresh eggs from their backyard? And I'm here with Forrest at Coastal Farm and Ranch. And Forrest, I just want to give me like just a few points on when people come in. I would think that they would see chicks and go, oh, chicks, they're so cute, let's get a few.
They do.
And then they take them home. But there's some things you have to do.
There's a lot besides just picking the chicks out. You got to get a waterer. A lot of people forget they need that for some reason. You got feed, that's important, medicated or non-medicated. When they're very young, we recommend the medicated. Of course, a feeder to go with the feed. When they're very young, it's a probiotic, a prebiotic, kind of like a Gatorade that we would drink, but for chickens.
And you have that's what they're actually drinking out of this container here. And then I would assume that maybe that would work for a while, but they grow.
They do, very fast.
And I'm assuming that things like this, that's not where you're going to keep them outside.
No.
So do you have stuff here for that as well, or information about it?
We do. We have chicken coops. You know, some people, they coop them or they free range them. It's just,
depending on how the backyard is or how the place they want to graze them. And then I would think when I walked up in here before we got to this place, I saw this very large poster. There were a lot of different chickens.
There are a lot of different chickens.
And so is there reasons why you would get one variety versus another?
Some are better temperaments, some are better layers, some are more hardy in the cold climate.
So there's a lot. I mean, honestly, when I was a kid, my grandmother had a lot of chickens, but you know what? She only got them for the different colored eggs.
And there's different colored eggs. Yeah.
So there's a lot of different reasons why you really should talk to someone who knows what they're doing before you jump into
Exactly.
this.
Yeah, it's not just, like going to a dog store and getting your puppy. I mean, there's, depending on where you live, what kind of eggs you want.
And how many, I'm assuming.
And how many, yeah. And when they're young, also, they need a heat lamp as well.
All right, so from there, we know they're going to get bigger.
They do.
So where do we go from there with it?
From there, like I said, you turn them out, and it's not just there. Sometimes the chicks, like the chickens, when they're like baby chicks, they'll have problems as well.
Right.
And when those problems get here, we have everything to get you taken care of.
So and to me, I like that, because even as they get older, they're still going to have different things that attack them and come to them that you're going to have to deal with.
Yes.
You guys, they can come back here and say, what's this about? You'll be able to help them.
Year round.
Well,
We're always stocked up in supplies.
And that's what I like too, because when you come to a place like Coastal, first of all, it's big enough that you don't have to worry about them running out or not being there and the hours and stuff, so that's helpful. And if you really want to raise these 4 eggs especially, you want to make sure you do it right and you raise healthy chickens throughout their life. So we invite you to go to gardentime.tv and we'll kick you over to their website. They have 17 stores now, so they'll show you where all those are, they'll show the hours, phone numbers, addresses, and then you can go to Coastal and start a little chicken ranch all of your own. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.